Welcome back after a wonderful break. I'm sure you all are already having an immersive experience. But what we are going to do on this beautiful platform of Desi Dhakat Social Impact Awards is to experience that feminine energy in a very different form. That also in a very sacred period of Navratri. Navratri got launched yesterday, and I'm feeling that divine presence of that entire energy in every moment and everything that we are going to do in the second half. Change makers, impact creators, being lived, experienced, and felt every moment. It's giving me shivers myself to see all of you together. And with that, I invite you to enter a very different space, the ethereal space. Ethavaya and the ethereal space. Because when sometimes you meet quietly, powerfully, at times, a bigger mission and a movement gets launched. When serendipity brought Jyoti Rai and myself together, something clicked between us, something which we felt that there is something common that we are talking about. It was not just a collaboration, it was a shared vision of what's taking form. And that's what I'm here to unveil with all of you. It's a co-creation, it's a thought, it's a purpose. It's all about how a vision translates into reality. And Ethavaya giving that entire expression. A space where Etha becomes expression and stories are being brought alive with a lot of authenticity and originality. It's been tough for Jyoti, definitely, when she remains with the original stories. And believe it, I truly admire and respect her for this originality. The mastermind of Jyoti, the magical mind with which she really brings every abstract thought and content into meaningful creation with a great sense of responsibility and conscience. And why I'm saying that, you will understand when I unveil what we are going to do. That authenticity, that responsibility, that conscience that she really brings to the table. And along with that, bringing my side to complement her as an integral part of a family, saying a depth of reflection and a grounded wisdom. When we both came together with this thought process, what we realized is we're creating a very simple yet very profound belief. And the belief is what we create today becomes culture tomorrow. Friends, it's a very profound thought, and that's what Ether stands for. Leaving behind a legacy for generations to follow those values and to create a culture that can resonate for lifetime beyond us. This year, the beats are changing. And how? Because from this belief, what really emerged is the Shakti reimagined, completely reimagined as the Navdurgas amongst us. Friends, let me kind of take you behind the scenes. Give me the audio, please, the audio visual. Have a quick glance at this before I come back.
Someone had to reimagine stories. When we see role models around us, in my career, to take an example, I have learned immensely from people around me by observing. And once you like someone and you want to be mentored from, you of course imbibe those qualities. You go and approach them. But if I like Durga Ma, how can I go and approach her as a mentor? And we have prayers for that, right? What if there's a whole series?
This concept is something which is like, when I heard about this, it was like something very different, something which is very unique, and I would have like been, I waited for this thing. I really wanted to, work on such concepts where, women has given this power and, that appreciation that they are here for, which I think in somewhere in a television or somewhere in a media that is lacking.
पहचाना नहीं हमने जाना नहीं वो है रक्षक असुरों की है काल हर काल में भिन्न रूपों में शक्ति उनकी रही हमारे साथ reimagining Shakti is such a huge challenge actually. It's 9 Shaktis coming together.
Reimagining is not always as simple as it appears. It requires old rules to be broken, it requires new formulas to be written.
The challenging part was to actually be able to conceptualize and reimagine Shakti in today's contemporary world and bring that two things together.
There is an element of compassion, there is an element of aggression. एक माँ की ममता भी है इसमें. इतने सारे emotions एक गाने में लाना यही सबसे खास बात है.
I mean, this concept has really made me, really had the goosebumps.
Reimagine the Shakti within, the inner flame, the quiet flame that exists within you, igniting it. That is the impact that I'm really looking forward to, what this Navdurgas as a co-creator creates for everyone around who goes and sees it again and again.
I had to go through a lot of references, keeping in mind the concept of the show. I wanted to keep it very Indian, earthy, and I wanted to try experiment with a lot of sounds and all. So yeah, so there was a lot of research behind it.
Me and Anupama had long hours chat that ये लोग कर पाएंगे क्या? ज्योति यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स हैं और हमारे हर्डल लेवल्स इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि कोई भी कंपोजर नहीं टिक सकता है.
I want this song to be remembered. It should be in their playlist for next few months or years. It should be in top 10.
I guess we hit the bullseye. We got the right team.
The producers were really supportive, and they have given us a free hand to try and experiment with new stuff.
Guys, लोग vocals खोल दो अपने. Don't save anything for the later day, guys.
What started as a small idea, today it is becoming massively huge.
एक चीज़ जो आपके साथ याद रहने वाली है पूरे नवदुर्गास में कि ये कंटेंट पहले नहीं देखा गया.
Thank you so much.
Superb.
What you just witnessed is just a glimpse, ek jhalak, of what's going to come as a part of a larger vision, a docudrama series that is being directed by Jyoti herself. And on this day, on 20th March 2026, at this iconic and cosmic venue of NSE, we are going to unveil the title track of Navdurgas in presence of all of you as noble souls. With a lot of blessings from all of you, especially a place where we have the entire social impact so integral to our lives. So what better stage than today? This energy is what I'm asking you all to kind of give us as blessings. And with that great privilege and honor, the song of Shakti, where it's Ethavire's first musical, right, Jyoti? It's first musical, first direction by Jyoti. There are a lot of firsts to the credit for this. She stands for what it is. Spot the light, give the entire spark the platform, and make it shine bright. That's how even I'm out over here. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Jyoti. You've been changing so many lives through you and your Ethavire platform. What a vision. Bringing this vision to life, who better than a duo who are also challenged in the entire process? We have Krunal Shah, the music composer, who was not just crafting music, he was giving the soul to the music. And along with Abhinav Sharma, an icon on voiceover, stepping into a very unknown zone of lending his voice as a lead singer. Amazing, Abhinav. I think so this is where it talks about how do we keep on reinventing ourselves. And to bring this entire thing alive on stage, we have Ashutosh Deshmukh, the choreographer, along with the incredible troupe of Nritya Roopan, led by Rupam, who are going to perform today. They're not just here for performance. Would you believe they've traveled all the way from Varanasi to be here for this program, practicing there back in Varanasi? Jyoti and myself looking at it virtually out over here, getting ready to rock the stage for Desi Dhakach Social Impact Awards and creating that kind of an immersive experience and magical moments for all of you. So, can you all join me for an amazing experience of Shakti reimagined? How we look at Shakti in a very different way. So, can we begin?
शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवाः शान्तिब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेवं शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
हर काल में भिन्न रूपों में शक्ति उनकी रही हमारे साथ। पहचाना नहीं हमने जाना नहीं, वो है रक्षक असुरों की है काल। हर काल में भिन्न रूपों में शक्ति उनकी रही हमारे साथ। पहचाना नहीं हमने जाना नहीं, वो है रक्षक असुरों की है काल।
अब ना लगेगा दांव पे नारी का सम्मान, कोई कर ले जितनी कोशिश हर कोशिश नाकाम। बंधनों को तोड़ने की दी है ललकार, नौ शक्तियां आई हैं लेकर नए अवतार। नौ शक्तियां आई हैं लेकर नए अवतार। इस कल युग में करने महिषासुरों का नाश, इस कल युग में करने महिषासुरों का नाश, इस कल युग में करने महिषासुरों का नाश। शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमः।
Wow. I'm sure you're completely immersed into it and glued to your chairs, but I'm sure this kind of a performance and this song that we are dedicating to NSC requires a standing ovation. Absolutely. Thank you. Wonderfully performed, team. I'm so mesmerized. May I invite the team behind this entire anthem? It's not just a musical track. I would call it as an anthem of the Shakti. May I call upon Kunal Shah, Abhinav Sharma, and my very own dear Jyoti onto the stage, please. Come over. Amazing, lovely, superb. So presenting the music composer, Kunal Shah, Abhinav Sharma, the lead singer. We all have been between us out of this comfort zone. The first time, the brainchild, the director, Jyoti Rai. It's her first attempt to do something very different and leave back a legacy for ages to come and generations to come where, as I said, whatever we create today is going to become a culture for tomorrow. We feel responsible to leave behind these kind of thoughts. Thank you so much. And Jyoti, yes, surely. You want to say something before that?
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. ये आप सबको dedicated है. Tribute to my mom and every single mom. So thank you for watching. और इससे better platform नहीं था इसको introduce करने का. ये dedicated है हर awardees के लिए, इस impact के लिए, as Anupam mentioned. And I would request Vaishali Babu to kindly join us. And just a second. Ranjana ma'am, please join us. Please, we request you to join us to felicitate and acknowledge the cultural team here, which has been put together. Yeah, thank you. Vaishali, something you would like to say?
Good afternoon, everyone, or rather good evening. I have known Jyoti from the capital market days, and I have seen the transformation that we used to be together in a meeting, fighting for a cause to improve the capital market and getting into such a technical discussions. From that to this, Jyoti, really hats off to her, first of all. Having said that, on a serious note, see, we as a women, I just strongly support her. I don't say we should play the women card. But there is so much of Shakti, there is so much of power. And what else than to demonstrate this via music, via dance? And that's a perfect expression that we are having it. Thanks, Jyoti. Thanks, Kunal. Thanks, the singers, for getting it. And thanks for the lovely presentation. And all the way coming from Varanasi. So it's a kudos to the women power. And I always feel that behind, on a little lighter note, behind every successful man, there is women. And there is, on a practical note, behind every successful woman, there is a bai at home. Okay? So she makes us enable to be there wherever we are. So there is, what I mean, there is another woman. And whichever platform, people call me to talk on the risk management, what else, margining and all that, बहुत रुके सुके शब्द होते हैं. But that platform, I take few minutes to say to all the men and women alike here, please support a woman in your life. It may be your spouse, it may be your mother, it may be your colleague in the office, it may be your friend. She needs just 2 times emotional support once she gets married. And I have seen it, I've worked in an MNC, so I've seen it. Many women all around everywhere, they have the same problems. And once she has got the first child, she feels no, she should leave whatever she is doing it. By second child, she's a seasoned mother, so she doesn't really feel the need. But those 2 times, in whichever your capacity, they are the most loyal and your fruit-giving employees that you will have. So thanks a lot for making this day. Thank you.
so much. Thank you so much.
10 seconds. Hello, thank you very much. Thanks, Jyoti, for doing this. And this is especially special for me because I'm Bengali and Ma Durga embodies everything for us. And we are a matriarchal society. So as she said, behind every woman, there is a successful boy. I will say behind every woman, there are successful men. Today, I couldn't have been successful without many men behind me from my family. Thank you very much. And thank you, all of you. You were amazing, amazing. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I would just request you to felicitate the troupe. Yeah.
So can I have the
Yeah,
felicitation
let's
for the Nritya Rupam troupe?
Nitya Rupam
Can you
troupe to
come ahead?
Please come ahead. Please, Nitya, all the girls come ahead.
Yeah.
Ashutosh.
She choreographed. Okay. Rupam, along with Ashutosh. So we'll first felicitate the dance troupe. Come, Vaishali ma'am. Come in the center. Come in the center, Vaishali. So all the way today morning, they have reached at 3 a.m., traveled from Varanasi yesterday, and the same spirit with which they rehearsed after coming and the josh with which they have performed. Round applause for all of you. Keep it up, team. May I call Ashutosh ahead? So Ashutosh is also, interestingly, a part and parcel of the docudrama series. And Ashutosh, we look forward to the killer role that you're going to play in our entire series. Is the mystery building around Navdurgas amongst us? We're looking forward to a lot of support mentally, being with us, coming and absolutely supporting us in every way. Thank you so much. Ranjan, dancers. May I have Krunal Shah? Krunal, this was definitely one of the most challenging things that you did, right? Any words? No? So that's Krunal for us, absolutely challenging his boundaries and did an amazing part of it. His work speaks for itself. And now, may I invite the lead singer, Abhinav Sharma. You deserve every round of applause, Abhinav. I still remember in the studio when we were kind of recording this song, and with our eyes closed, we were listening to Abhinav sing, and believe it, I was transported into a different world. For me and Jyoti, both of us sitting there, we knew we have nailed it. Right, Jyoti?
Totally. Abhinav, this is your 100th song.
So, good evening, everyone. The first time I entered this building was in 2009 to take the Amphi exam, right? Because I've spent some time in the banking space. And the second time that I walked into this building was this afternoon for the first original song of my life. And I'm immensely grateful to Jyoti, Team Ethavire, Anupama ji. And I have to say this, that these dancers really, really brought it all so much more alive. And इनकी आंखें जब मैंने देखी तो मैं I was really overwhelmed sitting, at the rear. Thank you once again, everyone. And thanks to Krunal, obviously, for putting up such a great track, composed, arranged, everything. So all in all, it's an effort put in by a lot of people. But yes, I'm standing here in gratitude. Thank you.
So thank you so much. And we seek your blessings for Navdurgas to go to the floor shortly with this title track for the first time being unveiled in front of all of you at this iconic venue.